Good morning, my dear children. Here we are going to start our some latest activity. I hope you will take interest in this activity, and I want to tell you this thing. I'm taking here this input process and output, how it is doing in our computer system. Okay, so with the help of PowerPoint presentation, I want to show you and what we are going to start here. I want to just tell you we have some fruits, four types of fruits here, and in the process cycle we will get cutting these fruits, and after that I will want to show you that fruit salad. Okay, let's start कि हम इसके अंदर क्या चीज करेंगे. आप इसको देखिए. I will tell you one by one all these things how it will be happen. After one clicking you can see this. All fruits are gone for process. After cutting and mix of salt and other things, you can see the output. Means our salad, fruit salad. Okay, let's start one by one how we can do this thing. First of all, we have to take here one new presentation. Means मुझे यहाँ पे blank presentation start करना है. I have to just delete these things because we have to insert some images. I have already taken some images like apple and grapes. Okay, I have to close this presentation. Okay, apple, grapes, orange and salad also which we want to make, and strawberry. Okay, I have taken these fruits, and after this thing we have to cut it these. First of all we have to take an here apple, then grapes, whatever you want to take you can easily take. Okay, and these orange also here. I have to some little bit, we have to resize this strawberry size first of all so that we can set here. Okay, see here how we can set these things. We have a short size for setting the images. That's why we have to first of all crop this size. By the help of this feature I can crop these size. Take the interest to do this, and you have to do this thing yourself. Okay, आप कैसे करते हो इसको ये आपको इस वीडियो से पता चल जाएगा. हमें इसके लिए क्या क्या करना होगा. वी हैव टू टेक अगेन क्रॉप, and we have to crop the size of grapes also here because we have to arrange all the fruits in a one sequence. Okay, and here we have orange again, one fruit. We have to minimize the size of orange. Okay, now we have to some crop the size of strawberry. After that we can set in our sequence. Okay, some little bit only we can crop it. Okay, now we have to set this strawberry here, grapes here, oranges here. Okay, I have to do little bit here, and this thing is also here. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to arrange. This is your fruit salad. हमें इसका साइज थोड़ा सा बड़ा करना होगा so that we can measure if fruits are all available here. Okay, some are left. I want to show you just thing. Now what we have to do, we have to take rectangle shape from the your shape box, and I have to draw here the rectangular shape. After clicking this I have to align this as a center. I can change the color of this shape by the help of home tab. We have to go shape fill, and the green color we can take. Okay, now this is your choice. You can take any type of color from here. And now what we have to do, we have to set this as a center. Now we have to select all these fruits in one line. मैंने ये सारे select कर लिए by the help of shift key. Pressing shift key, you can set all these fruits. I have to shift over there. First this, second, third and fourth here. Now what we have to do, we have to go for animation tab. For the animation tab, we have to selecting the lines animation. Okay, this is the top to bottom side, but you have to select effect options from right. I have to take on here right. Now what we have to do, we have set in here all the fruits in a line animation. Okay, now this process we have to set over there also. Okay, here. Now what we have to do, just wait, we have to set over there, and after that we have to set the same animation on the this fruit salad. And now go to the effect option and right. I have selected the right. What selected? Right. So fruit salad will come here. Okay. Now what we have to do, this is shifted from back side because I have taken the rectangular box here. Okay, and this box is in at the center of our slide. Now what we have to do, we have to add some little bit, you have to shift to down because we have to enter some text also. We want to enter the text over there. One rectangular, one more rectangular we can take at the top for typing the text as like input process output. Okay, we can put here, right clicking over there and edit text. We have to select the edit text. Now we can type here. By the help of home tab, we can change the color of text. Now white color, it will be suited. This is input process and output. Now we have to set the text to input, process and output. They will be shifted to each other. We have to shift it output some here, and now process is by the pressure of enter or backspace key. Okay, sorry, delete and backspace key. Now input, process and output. We have to show the process at the back of in the CPU. You can take the example as well as. Okay, now what we have to do, we want to show the animation on other sides of these things, means fruits पर कैसे animation fit करना है. Now we have to go for, first of all, animation pen. We can see the animation on all of. First is selecting, this is the animation. Second, if we want to delay some time like 50 seconds, 50, and here the again 50 plus means 100, 1 second, and here's again some delay, it will be take 150. Now see the output of these things, how we can set the animation. I hope you understand these things. It will take more time, but you have to set the all things in a one glance, and you will enjoy if you will do this work yourself. Okay, let's see the output. By pressing of F5 key, I have to clicking over there. Suppose I have clicking one time, it will see something like that. Again clicking, I can see the example. Means हम देख सकते हैं इसका output कैसे है. We have input the process, input the raw material to computer. सबसे पहले हमने raw material डाला है computer के अंदर. By the help of keyboard, after processing, we can take the output as a fruit salad. I hope you enjoy these things. You have to do this work yourself so that you will understand the animation, slide transition as well as animation delay time, and with the help of input, process, output cycle. Thank you बच्चे.